Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting TSX file to Kmz format. You can see on my computer I have a TSX file. I can open it into a TSX viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of TSX file. I will leave a link on this viewer inside in description on this video. And you can see basically there are a lot of values, but the most important of them is latitude, longitude, altitude, and basically it's a track description of a track, GPS track. And I will be converting this into Kmz format. And in order to do that, I will install application from my website. To find application, click on search and type TCX to Kmz. And in this create TMZ file, I can click on TCX to Kmz and click on download button to start downloading process. I will be recording more videos on TCX and Kmz Converter, so if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, it's important that if you have this TSX file, incoming TSX file like me, open into any application, you probably want to close it because some applications like exclusively lock in this TCX and you cannot open it in any other app and you will get errors during conversion. Therefore, I would advise you to close any application using this TCX before converting. You can see archive has been downloaded. I click on downloaded archive. Double click on MSI inside archive to start installation. Click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher as Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation. And click on next, install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is three steps process. In first step, I have to select my TCX file. So I click to select input file, navigate to my coastal TCX, open it, add it here. I can add multiple files if I want to place all of them into my Kmz file. Click on next step. It will automatically map TCX fields to Kmz track fields. So there is nothing we have to do here. Just click next step. And on final step, I click run to start conversion. And you can see it's asking me for name and location of my file. This name and location is okay. Just click save. And file has been saved. Now let's go and open it into my maps google.com and click on open. Click import, browse to my file, TCX to Kmz. And you can see it added my track to from TCX file and from Kmz file we created, and it's correctly showing on Google Maps. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Also, if you would like to see more videos like this and more applications like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and please like this video. Thank you.